of y equals 2x raised to 2 minus 2x minus 5, where the tangent is parallel to the line y plus 3 equals negative 5x. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end so that you know what the answer is. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do first is to find the derivative of this curve. Okay, so here we have that y equals 2x raised to 2, then minus 3x minus 5. So the derivative, that will be the y over the x. We have 4x then minus 3. Okay, so now the next thing we need to do is to find the slope for this straight line. Let's take note that for a straight line graph, or for any straight line, you have y equals mx then plus c. Okay, so let us set this equation, okay, this equation of a straight line, to this form. So this gives us the y then equals negative 5x then negative or minus 3, so which implies that m equals negative 5. So what then do we do here? All we just need to do now is to set the derivative, okay, to negative 5, since the tangent is parallel to the line. So here we have 4x minus 3 equals negative 5.